Hey there, my name is Tyler, and today I'd like to show you how software can make building in the construction world a whole lot easier. Another module I'd like to touch on is the task module. Now, tasks can be assigned to either a project or no project, so being a standalone task. In this case, we're back onto the project dashboard, and as you can see on the homepage here, we have this task section down here. This is going to list all tasks assigned to this project and also all tasks assigned to me. If we want to get a more detailed view or this is too small, we can go ahead and click the task module tab up top. Perfect. So yeah, on here you can see just a larger, more dedicated page for tasks. But if you are more interested in seeing which tasks are assigned to which departments, go ahead and click the department view here. And this is where you could see all the tasks assigned to each department. So we have a couple for estimating, fabricating, etc. So let's go back to the list view and try to create our own task. So I'm going to click add task. I'm going to move this over here. And so the first thing you need to enter is a task title, which is required. So I'm going to enter a new task. We do have to assign it to somebody. I'm going to assign it to myself here. And this next section is the in. So which project is this task in? In this case, we do want to keep this as is because I do want this task within this same project. So I'm going to set the due date now to next Monday. And you can optionally add a description. For now, I'm going to jump over that. And I'm going to go down to this view. So here's where you can set the department. I'm going to go ahead and set it to field plumbing. The owner will default to whoever the creator of the task is. In this case, I do want to keep it as myself, so I'm going to leave that alone. Now, the required task is a way to create a line of sequential tasks. So if you don't want to be able to complete this new task until a previous task is completed, then you would assign this a required task. In this case, this is a standalone task. I want to be able to complete it when I'm finished, so I'm going to leave that alone. The observing button here is primarily for notifications and keeping up to date with the task. So if you're not assigned and you're not the owner of a task, but you still want to get notifications on updates, you can click observing. So I'm going to leave that be as well. And the last portion is the upload. So you are able to upload photos to this task if that fits your use case. So with this, I'm just going to go ahead and create this new task. And you can see this new task here. So it's under this project and it defaults to the scheduled status. So in this case, let's go ahead and just change it to pending because we know we're going to go ahead with it. Now we have this task here and let's go and check the department view again. And there we go. So this new task is in the field plumbing department and you can see it is still pending. But now that we're finished with the task, I'm just going to go ahead and mark it as complete and we should see that status change. There we go. So it's marked as green now. And if I go back to the list view, we should see it down here. And the cool thing about this is since this task is assigned to me, this will show up on the company dashboard as well. So let me hop on over to the home page or the company dashboard. And let me scroll down and we'll see that right here. So we have that new task. It is completed and we're able to view it on our own personal company-wide dashboard. One last note here is the comments. So you can leave a comment and anybody who is assigned to the task or is the owner of the task or is observing it will be able to see these comments. So I can write a quick comment. So this is a nice way to kind of keep up to date with whatever this task is trying to accomplish. As you can see, tasks are pretty integral to this application and are very versatile, and they can be used in many different situations.